refers to the process by which an organism maintains a stable internal environment despite the changes in its external environment. Bacterial infections can disrupt homeostasis in the body, but the body has several mechanisms to restore balance. Bacterial infections are caused by small single-celled organisms called bacteria that invade the body. There are many ways you can get them, but one is through the air from inhaling contaminated dust. When bacteria enter and grow within the body, they produce small chemicals that are used to signal and communicate other bacteria, as well as affect immune cells and blood vessels of the host that they infect.
Just another boring and ordinary day.
Look, my friend! A body with such a vibrant and healthy skin.
Oh, what a mischief for their body. Let's infiltrate and enter her body.
Yes, this is our life and we must conquer her body in order to live happily.
Now we have reached their defenses. Now it's time to sow the seeds of discord within.
We must replicate ourselves quickly.
Something's not right. I feel weak. And what's this? My skin are red. Oh, what's going on?
Look! There are cells roaming around.
We must attack them and disrupt this body.
When the bacteria attack the cells, the white blood cell macrophage will send a signal to inform the immune system. The macrophage will secrete cytokines, which are signaling proteins that help control inflammation in the body. The hypothalamus will receive the signal and start increasing the temperature. The liver will receive the signal as well to activate the production of STAT3, then lead to the transcription and production of transferrin in the liver, which can be secreted into the bloodstream and bind to iron, preventing bacteria from using it for their growth and survival.
It's that alarm! Hello? I'm hypothalamus. And I'm receiving a distress signal. I think there is an invasion of harmful bacteria in our system.
We must act swiftly in order to protect the body. What shall we do now?
We need to raise the body's temperature to create an inhospitable environment for the bacteria. Liver, I need your assistance. I will send signals to increase the body's temperature by activating our internal thermostat. This will initiate a fever response.
I see. By raising the temperature, we can hinder these bacteria from growing and surviving. I will also trigger the release of iron-binding protein called transferrin in order to stop this bacteria from growing.
Increase the temperature of the body. Activate the fever.
Hypothalamus, I have received the signal. It is now time to initiate the production of STAT3, crucial for our defense against these bacteria. This will play a key role in our immune response, as it will trigger the production and transcription of transferrin in my department, the liver.
Transferrin binds to iron, making it unavailable for the bacteria to use for their growth and survival.
Transferrin production is in full swing. It will bind to iron and render it useless to the bacteria.
Well done, liver. Together we ensure that the bacteria faces challenges inside this body.
White blood cells checks the body and look for the invader. They will circulate through the bloodstream and tissues to attack the bacteria that enter the body. At the same time, the cytokine signal becomes louder, which will call the macrophage and the production of antibodies.
Everyone! I have detected the presence of an invading pathogen.
I'm the macrophage. Ready to join forces against the intruder. Face the might of my phagocytic prowess, you introduce bacteria. Cytokine signal is really getting louder. It's getting more dire by the minute. White blood cells, we need more antibodies to bind to the bacteria.
This is your cue to get activated antibody.
B cells, get ready to recognize those bacterial antigens.
Roger that, antibodies. We're now ready to undergo clonal expansion and differentiate into plasma cells.
Perfect. The plasma will produce a huge amount of fast antibodies, so will specifically bind and recognize to the bacteria.
Bacteria's fate is sealed. Now it's time to eliminate this threat once and for all.
Achoo! Oh gosh, finally, the symptoms are fading away. I thought I would endure for a day. I'm starting to feel like myself again.
Our mission is complete. We have neutralized the bacterial infection and protected this body from harm.
Bacterial infections occur when bacteria enter the body, and inhaling contaminated dust is one of the causes of bacterial infection. Once in the body, they increase in number. Bacterial infection triggers an inflammatory response which alerts the macrophages. Macrophages encountering bacteria in the tissues are triggered to release cytokines that increase the permeability of blood vessels, allowing fluid and proteins to pass into the tissues. White blood cells, which are part of the immune system, fights the infection through the B cells. These cells produce antibodies to kill the bacteria.